So it is now 6:15. Christian's still asleep. But I just want to say bye to you guys and say that it was sorry, my voice is still gone. But that it was an amazing trip. A lot of fun. I'm gonna call my Uber and then I head out. So thank you guys for coming along. I'm Sammy, and I'm signing off.
Morning. Alright, I guess it's my turn, right? Everybody gone. Just me and Kylo again. But we had fun. That's what matters. Yeah, but let's start cleaning this place up and get on the road. It's about 7:30. I think checkout's like noon. I'm trying to get out of here at like 10:30ish. 6-hour drive back to Virginia. But yeah. Let's get this place cleaned up, right? Yeah. Alright. I'll take my allergy meds. Morning. Don't. Okay, one more last check around.
Turn right, then take the first left onto Wren Circle.
Alright, Jesus. Oh,
turn right onto Wren Circle. At the next stop sign, turn left.
Alright, I put 62 in and it topped off the tank. We got 6 hours, 13 minutes. Let's just get on the road. I don't see... Traffic doesn't look too bad. Let's just rip it off like a band-aid, get it over with. Alright, see you guys later. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I have about 5 hours left. Sam left this morning. But we're good.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How things going this morning?
I gassed up. Everything was good. Sam's Bud Lights are still in the fridge. I was gonna give them to the neighbor, but Shane, he got so offended when I offered it to him. I'm like, oh hey, would you like some Bud Light? And he's like, what? I'm like, yeah, Bud Light beer. He's like, that shit's so toxic. I'm like, okay, I'm walking the other direction now. I shouldn't have said anything to you. I don't know what his problem is.
All at a family-friendly price. Delicious, smart, affordable. Find Land of Frost Premium at your local retailer.
Some people just don't get it. That Squarespace isn't just for websites. You can get a domain from Squarespace too. It's kind of like how your parents don't get how you make a living off your art, but you do. And with a domain like Existential...
Alright, we made it to South Carolina. Rest stop. A welcome center. I might take a nap. I've been up since like 5:30, since Sam left. I'm gonna take him out. And yeah, just chill for a little bit. Still got about 4 hours, 30 minutes, but we'll see how I feel after a nap. Good nap. Hey, ready?
The talk of the town, Mr. Tangerine Speedo, how you get around, baby Tangerine, la 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 la.
Another trip accomplished. But yeah, we actually did it. Did another 900 miles in the Condor. But at what cost? So, what did we learn, Christian? Surprised it even held up. Hey, mister. It is what it is. We'll get some more Flex Seal and fix that. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. As you can see, I have tons of chores to do. But let's go get Kylo so he can say goodbye too. Hey, mister, come here. Come. Come on. Come here. Say bye to everybody. Alright, bye guys.